making the rice. I'm gonna make a quick video of can of beans. I know my grandma's probably saying, "No, mijo, no, don't do that. Do it for the scratch." But grandma, I don't have time right now. It's the only thing I need. So let me show you a quick way how to make it taste a little bit better than the can, all right? So any kind of can, look at this. This is not natural. This is not good. No bueno. Grandma's crying right now. Mijo, no, mijo, no. So let's go ahead and do that part. Get all you Mexican people out there that are saying, why? I'll tell you why. It's the fastest way to do a quick meal. That's the whole thing. Make a quick meal under a couple minutes. So let's go ahead and do this. But before that, we're going to make sure you put it a little higher here. Level 4 for now. We're going to use oil. Why oil, you're saying? Because give it a little more the taste of lard that we're not adding. The beans already have lard already. Especially the refried beans, if it's real Mexican. Just a little bit of that. All right. This is canned. It's probably pre-salted already. If not, you might have to. I forgot that I had some oil out of this one. Look at this. Oil out of the actual tacos that I made. I'm just going to put a little bit so you can give it a couple of tastes. That's about it. Just a little bit of the fat of the actual beef. I should have used that instead of the regular oil, but too late. Just give it a little flavor. So spread them out because you don't want them to get stuck together. All right, and this is out of a can. I'm gonna show you a couple of tricks. All right, some to make it taste a little bit better. Right now, out of the can, they don't look edible at all. Nothing out of the can looks edible. But we're going through hard times. We might be doing this. You might make fun of it right now, but people have eaten beans all their lives and they know nothing. It's like the second nature to a lot of us, you know. Like people have the rice, we have the beans. A little bit of milk, all right? Just a little bit, all right? Of milk in there. Sorry you guys didn't capture. I thought I was recording, but let's mix it around. Start mixing it around. Little bit of milk because it's like a natural fat that has. It's like butter, to be honest with you. These are like butter place. Remember, butter, natural butter is made from actual milk. So it gives it that natural taste. And we're gonna get, it's almost done. These are almost done. And look, they from can to almost readable, or maybe you can tell, maybe now a little bit of beans, maybe. Look at this, guys. Oh yeah, doesn't need any salt or anything. These are perfect. From a can to your home.